And since I'm also the moderator, let me look through here and see if there's any quick questions.
I should try to help you load balance there. There were some questions, I think all the way back to Yuxi asking about the vision systems that you were using. And I'll see if I can pull a few more out.
Yeah, thanks for that. We use quite a lot of different vision systems as we have quite a wide range of robotics applications that we're looking at. Lyra machine intelligence is sort of the abstraction that allows us to very easily swap vision systems. So for example, the avocado picking robot that I showed before, we're packing avocados, but like 10 minutes later, we can pack mangoes, chilies, lemons, limes. So we actually have picked quite a lot of different things out of that one. And one of the capability that allows us to do that is that we can easily swap a vision system. So we use deep learned neural networks for certain parts, but we also use just some standard traditional computer vision for other systems. You know, detecting a box, for example, you don't need to deep learn. You can just do a box detection with edges, right? So we use quite a wide range of vision systems there.
Thank you. And there's one other question I wanted to come back to, and this is from one of the guests. You know, what are your thoughts on embedded automation like the Roomba versus add-on automation, like adding a robot arm manipulator to an existing experiment? And this original question was directed, I believe, towards Florian, if I remember correctly. Yes.
Could you read again?
Yeah. So different approaches to automation. So one would be embedded automation, like a Roomba, versus sort of add-on automation, like where you add a robot arm to an existing tractor or something like that.
Yeah, I think we've seen, so we work across ag tech and other areas. So we've seen something similar, for example, in floor cleaning, where there are companies that build a floor scrubber from scratch. There's some advantages to that, and other companies that work with the OEM to add, you know, autonomy to something that's drivable. And I think it kind of depends on your use case. So being able to have a forklift or a floor scrubber where somebody can like actually sit on it and drive it manually and then step out and say, okay, now you go over there, has some benefits. Usually the machines that are built specifically for that purpose, you can get more done with them. There's fewer compromises because they're designed for that specific task. In general, what I'm personally more excited about is the kind of like task-specific robots that we're starting to see versus a general purpose robot with like bolt-on accessories.
Cool. Thank you. Great. I want to thank all of our panelists for another great discussion, and I'll hand it back to Andrew here to close up.